Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe if you want to see more videos on this type of body work. We're going to be working in this area today to fill in this rust cavity with body sorter. I've done it in a previous video, which I won't show the whole process today, but I'll link you to the other video. To identify the areas that you want to take care of, we want to take care of this area and the area below that. This area here is just a factory gap where the panels were put together. Seam sealer was there. We're going to put seam sealer back. This area here, we're going to hammer it in or tap it in to create a crater. We're going to clean it up with the wire wheel, because if you notice on my video, if you watched it on the other, when I did it the other time, I used a grinder and it just burned everything away and I had to fill a large hole. That's the factory body where it was put together, the seam, and it looks like it was used, they braced it. This is the area we want to take care of. We're not going to worry about that area. We're going to put seam sealer back in that area. But we're going to go around this area right here. We're going to use tinning butter to tin it, and then we'll use our body sorter to fill in that area, which I've done it, and you can see it. Like I said, if you're interested in seeing the whole process, watch my video that I did on it before, and I try to link you to it from this video. Okay, here's the back side, and you can see the actual area where I was saying the seam sealer was covering, and that's where the seam sealer will go back. But before we do it, we'll clean the back side of that area, and then we'll go back and we will I'm gonna prep that area, get all the loose stuff off of it, and then I'm gonna use something like a POR or like a Eastwood, a rust encapsulator, to go on the back side of that, and that'll protect it from the back side. And it's not gonna need any UV protection because it's not exposed to the sunlight. So I'll just use just a one stage like POR or the rust encapsulator after it's been cleaned up and everything. But this shows you that it can be done, and it shows you how it looked from the back side, because I got a lot of comments on the other video that I was referring you to about how it's going to look from the back side. If you like this video, share it, and with anyone that you think it may help, and thanks for watching.